Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get Peppino Toasty. To begin, simply touch any fire source you encounter in a level. This could be a burning torch, a flaming enemy, or even certain environmental hazards. Once Peppino makes contact with the flames, he will ignite, transforming into his powerful toasty form. This state is crucial for overcoming many obstacles and challenges throughout your pizza delivering adventure, so keep an eye out for those fiery opportunities. When Peppino is toasty, he gains several incredible advantages. First and foremost, he becomes completely invincible, meaning no enemy or environmental hazard can harm him for the duration. Additionally, Toasty Peppino can effortlessly smash through special metal blocks that are otherwise unbreakable, opening up new pathways. He also defeats certain enemies just by touching them, making navigation much easier. This power-up is essential for speedrunning and finding secrets. The toasty state is powerful but temporary, lasting for about 5 seconds. To extend this fiery advantage, you need to find and touch additional fire sources before the current toasty timer runs out. Each new flame contact will reset the duration, allowing you to maintain invincibility and destructive power for longer. Mastering the art of chaining fire sources is key to navigating complex sections and achieving high scores, so always be on the lookout for the next spark. To truly master Toasty Peppino, strategic usage is paramount. Utilize his invincibility to rush through dangerous enemy formations without fear. Focus on destroying those special metal blocks to reveal hidden passages or crucial collectibles. Remember, combining the toasty state with Peppino's other movement abilities, like the super jump or dash, can create incredibly efficient and fast routes through levels. Practice makes perfect, so experiment with different approaches to maximize your toasty potential.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.